What's up crazy buddies? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this plastic soda bottle table fan. So let's get started. Here is the empty plastic bottle. Just tear off the label and cut it into half. No problem if the cut is irregular. We can correct it afterwards. Fortunately, we had a small groove over here. By marking with the marker, I made it visible for the circular cutting. If you had no groove, no problem. Go ahead and cut circularly. By using the tape, I measured outer surface of the bottle. It's about 11 inches. So, for cutting 3 wings of the fan, I made 3 markings each at 3.6 inches. Placing marked portion in the center, cut the 3 wings of the fan. After cutting, you will get a portion like this. Bend all the wings backward and remove the wings other than the marked 3 wings. By using the scissor, curve the edges of the wings. By using the candle flame, slightly bend the wings. Make sure that you are bending all the wings in the same direction. Our fan wings are ready. Now remove the bottle cap and exactly at the center make a small hole. Take a 6 watts toy motor and an old mobile charger. Connect both of them using wires. Mobile charger serves as a power source. Now tightly fix the cap to the motor and apply hot glue. Then fix the fan to the cap. Fan part is ready. Let us now make the stand for this. Take a tissue paper roll or you can use a PVC pipe. I'm using paper roll, so for extra strength I'm applying plaster over it. I made this base from leftover cardboard sheets by gluing them one over the other. Exactly at the center, make a small hole to fix the paper roll in this base. Glue the paper roll to the base. After drying, pass the wire through the bottom of the paper roll and resolder it to the motor. Apply glue and fix the motor on the top and attach the wings. That's it. Our table fan is completed. You can customize the wings color of your own choice by painting. Here is my another fan made from the plastic bottle with several wings with the same procedure. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.